Hello, this is Writing Linear Equations, Standard Form, Example 5. And Example 5 has a little story problem about 144 people going on a trip. The large van holds 12 people, and the small van holds 8 people. And each van must carry that many people, 8 for the small, 12 for the big. And we have to write an equation in standard form that models the possible combinations of small vans and large vans. And then we have to graph it, and we have to list several combinations. I think this is mostly what's going on. If S is the number of small vans, that's going to be times 8, because there'll be 8 people in each one of those. And the same thing here. It'll be 12 times L if L is the number of large vans. And altogether, that has to add up to all of the people, which is 144. So 8S plus 12L equals 144. So that is our equation, and it looks like I certainly could reduce this equation and make it a little easier to work with. I notice that everything is divisible by 2, and then everything is probably divisible by 2 again. So I'm going to do that. 4S plus 6L equals 72. And now I'm going to do that again. 2S plus 3L equals 36. It's just easier to work with this equation than that equation. And so that's my equation in standard form. I'd say the last one there is the best one. And now we have to graph this equation. So I think I'll do a quick graph. The book does the same thing. And to do a quick graph, we figure out the intercepts. So to find the S-intercept, I'm going to let L be 0. So when I let L be 0, I'm left with 2S equals 36. So S equals 18. So on my graph, I've made a graph already, and the S-intercept is 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The last point there, that's 18. And now I'll figure out the L-intercept. So to figure out the L-intercept, we let S be 0, and that will be 3L equals 36, so L is equal to 12. That's my L-intercept. So the L-intercept is 12. There's the L-intercept. And now I'm ready to draw the line. Okay, so I think I've got it. I've graphed the equation, I've written the equation, and now I need to list several combinations. So it looks like this is a combination right there. I'm just picking the spots where there are whole numbers. See, I can't send part of a van, and right there, those are parts of vans. These are actually whole numbers for the vans. Now let's see, this was 18 as I recall, and this was 12. So what I'm trying to do here is list several combinations of large vans and small vans. So let's try to get some of those combinations. This is large vans and these are small vans. So this is 12 comma 0. So that's 12 large vans, 0 small vans. And then this is 10 large, 8. So 10, 8, 10, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, and 0. And so I said it's 12 and 0. This is 10 and 3. And I'll bet you this is 8 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 8 and 6. So this is going to go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18. So these are all of the combinations. The question just said to list several possible. I guess I listed them all. We could have 12 large vans and 0 small vans, all the way up to 0 large vans and 18 small vans. And these are all the combinations in between. 10 large, 3 small, 8 large, 6 small, 6 large, 9 small, 4 large, 12 small, 2 large, 15 small.